This guided meditation is designed to help you to reconnect with authentic self-expression and to embody your creative radiance that exists within. To begin, find a comfortable position where your body feels supported, either seated or lying down. Slowly and gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale completely. Continue this deep breathing, imagining that there are roots that extend from your body into the earth. With each breath, your roots extend deeper into the earth, grounding and steadying you. You are becoming very well rooted and supported by the earth, yet you can let go, observing the weight of your body releasing into the protective ground beneath you. Return your breathing to normal. In this present moment, you feel the combination of weightlessness and support of your body. Ask yourself, what does safety feel like in my body right now? Now ask yourself, where in my body can I soften just a little more to release tension and allow for more light to be let in later? Take this time to scan your entire body, allowing your breath to gently soften all areas of tension you may have. Now bring your awareness to your solar plexus, which is in the upper abdomen above the navel. Sense a light warmth in this area and imagine your solar plexus glowing as though it is lit by your inner sun. Your solar plexus is the center of your personal power. It radiates creative energy. What does it feel like to sense your own light from within? Can you feel the source of your vitality within you. Begin to deepen the breath again. On each inhale, visualize the spark of light to expand into a golden light swirling within your solar plexus. On each exhale, see the light shining brighter, filling your entire body with warmth and energy. Allow the light to spread to your shoulders, your arms, and your hands, which are the vehicles of carrying out your creative pursuits. Feel this light within you, strong, steady, and glowing. Ask yourself, if this light had a color, what would it be? If it had a texture, what would it be? If it had a rhythm, what would it be? Feel the radiance of this light and ask yourself, how does it move through me? Return your breathing to normal and bring your awareness to your sun sign, or the astrological sign the sun was in on the day you were born. This sign represents the essence of who you are when you feel most alive. What sun sign were you born under? Passionate, courageous, and fearless Aries, calm, stable, and practical Taurus, intellectual, curious, and adaptable Gemini, intuitive, empathetic, and protective Cancer, confident, creative, and charismatic Leo, analytical, detail-oriented, and methodical Virgo, graceful, balanced, and harmonious Libra, deep, passionate, and transformative Scorpio, optimistic, adventurous, and philosophical Sagittarius, ambitious, resilient, and pragmatic Capricorn, progressive, innovative, and humanitarian Aquarius, dreamy, compassionate, and sensitive Pisces. What is your sun sign's natural element? Is it fire, which it would be if your sun sign is an Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius? Is it earth, if your sun sign is Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn? Is it air, if your sun sign is Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius? Is it water, if your sun sign is Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces. Notice this natural element and how its energy feels in your body. What kind of light does your sun radiate? Is it bold and bright, stable and supportive, curious and visionary, flowing and unpredictable? Allow this light to lead you in expressing the gifts of your sun sign, which is your natural creativity in the world. Ask yourself, when do I feel like I am in my light the most as my true self? How does my sun sign help me to express myself creatively? What am I meant to illuminate? Visualize your light flowing to all the parts of you that help you identify and deliver your message to the world. Your hands, your heart, your voice, your eyes, your intuition, your imagination. The sun within you enables creative energy to flow through you with ease, shaping and expressing ideas. This radiant flow is all that is needed, which happens without strain or effort. This is your essence, your natural creativity, and by just being in your light, you are enough. Ask yourself, what wants to be created through me today? How do I integrate this energy in my daily life? Feel the gentle but ever-present warmth of your sun within you. As we close out this meditation, acknowledge your inner light by placing one hand above your navel. Affirm to yourself, my light is my creativity. I shine with purpose and ease. You will carry the energy of your inner sun into the rest of your day, and you can return to this meditation anytime you need a reminder of this light that is always within you. Take a few deep breaths. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, and slowly and gently open your eyes. Thank you for participating in this guided meditation. Please like, share, and subscribe. Many blessings to you.